Hi guys, I'm here to film a video called, it's a squishy tag, and the tag is called the Ketchup Theory tag, and all the questions are on this notepad, so yeah. So if you can't hear me, really sorry. So the first question is, most realistic and unrealistic squishy. So these two are my most realistic because they look so real, but they're not the right size, but they just look like something I would eat. And the most unrealistic is because you won't have bread looking like this. Yeah, you won't have bread looking like this with like 3 noses or 3 like this. Now, second question, favorite crackling squishy. I don't have a crackling squishy, but if I had to choose, it would probably be the Fat Cat crackers, if I had it. Most rarest squishy would be this, because this is the reproduce and it just come out, this panini, Lucia the Patisserie panini. Here's the tag. So yeah. Next one is my favorite squishy. My favorite character squishy would be this, because it's a Hello Kitty is so nice. I love it. And so squishy as well. Next squishy is most unique squishy. Most unique squishy is this Rilakkuma because the face is so cute and it has a dipped ear. And like the tag is so cute as well. I know this is a fake one, but yeah, this is still really cute and really squishy. And this is my favorite squishy. Next one is most unlicensed squishy. My most favorite unlicensed squishy is this mini panda bun because it's so squishy, and mini panda buns you can just bring outside with you to squish, and it's portable, so yeah. Next one is best and worst scented squishy. Best scented squishy is this cream puff. Smells like vanilla, a very strong scent of vanilla. And worst smelling is this donut from Primark. It smells like bleach mixed with a load of chemicals. So yeah. Next one is most fave squeeze toy. My most favorite squeeze toy is this, even though it's not like a squishy or a squeeze toy. It's a little cute teddy bear. I don't know if you can see it. It's just really fun. It's a stretchy, it's a little teddy bear. So yeah. Next one is most unique packaging. That would be this Cadbury strawberry, because the strawberry is really nice to squish, and the packaging is so cute. It looks so fresh. There's real life strawberries on it, and yeah, it's just nice packaging. Sorry for the bad lighting. I know it's very dark here in London. So yeah. Next one is my most squishiest and most hardest squishy. My most hardest squishy is this Eat Me cookie. This is so hard, I can barely even squish this. So yeah. And then my squishiest is this croissant with the packaging that was in my giveaway. And soon it will go to someone else. This is so squishy. By the way, the packaging is open. And it smells so nice. It smells like chocolate. Next one is my most largest squishy and smallest squishy. My most largest squishy is this, because it's bigger than my head. It's a Cadbury bread, and it looks so real, and it's so squishy as well. I love it. And it smells really nice. So yeah. Next one is, the smallest squishy is this mini steam bun. This in fact is my smallest squishy. Next one is my most fun to squish, which is this one. I love squishing this one. It's so nice. And then the last one is my family member's favorite squishy, which is this Jumbo Panda Bun. this dense and soft at the same time. That is so cool. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this squishy tag, and that was all the questions, and I recommend you to do it. And just go search up Ketchup Glue squishy tag, and you will see her doing it, so you'll see the original video. And please comment down below more squishy tags that you want me to do, maybe Squishy Dares, maybe the ABC squishy tag. I've already done King's Court, now I've already done Ketchup Glue one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Thumbs it up, subscribe and comment. Bye!